Kanji number 94. So here meaning of that kanji, collect or gather. Collect or gather. So how to write or stroke of that kanji? First inclined one and vertical this portion. Second inclined one, horizontal, later vertical, and 3 horizontal parallel. And last the bigger one, horizontal, vertical, and left inclined, right inclined. So show and atasu. Atasu. Sound like that. Show and atasu. So word and meaning, henshu. Editing. It perhaps the newspaper, perhaps the journal, book. This is the editing. So henshu. So hen, how to write? Hen. So here hen shoe. So here the shoe. Hen shoe. This is the editing. Hen shoe. Atasu meru. So me hiragana, ru hiragana. Atasu meru. That means to collect or to gather. Atasu meru. We already know how to write atasu. So here is me, the hiragana. Atasu meru, to collect. Shokai. Shokai, that means assembly or congress or large meeting. Shokai. So we know already show. So here is kai. Show kai. Shokai. Assembly. Shokai. Assembly.